sir. A round of applause, kindly. We also have a representative for Guatemala. Thank you, Madam. Rwanda, kindly make your way to the stage. Followed by Rwanda. Sweden, make your way to the stage kindly. United States, kindly representative. Japan, Senegal, and also Kenya will have our CS Julius Migos. Let's have Rwanda. Sorry, let's have Sweden. A round of applause kindly, even as they receive these gifts. Thank you. United States of America, you're welcome to Kenya. Our representative from Japan, welcome, sir. Senegal. Do we have a representative from Senegal? If not, I would like to invite CS Julius Migos to receive on behalf of Kenya. Kindly, sir. Thank you, Your Excellency. Kindly we'll proceed to our photo session right behind the pavilion. I would like to invite